friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee. I am a Saint Beauty artist and also a DIY lash enthusiast. So those are the two main things that I do on my channel, but I do other beauty stuff, other beauty reviews, a little bit of fashion, a little bit of everything. And today's video is going to be that little bit of beauty thing, little bit of everything. So I was reached out by a company called iMETHOD Beauty and via Instagram, and they asked me if they could send me one of their BROWS stencil kits, and if I would try it out and if I liked it, to do a review on it. So I said, absolutely, that's fine, that's great. I tried the Brow Trio and absolutely loved it, kind of the stamp method, because it's super, super easy. So I figured I would go ahead and give it a try. So they sent me the kit, and then they also sent me another color. This one is the 05. The thing got smashed by the post office, but this is the 05. This is the other color they sent me is a 04. So I'm gonna see what that all is about. So this kit says it comes with stencils, the pomade, the sponge brush, a double-ended spoolie, and an angled brow brush, and then a zipper patch or for your beauty drawer or handbag. So that's cool. I did see that they are off of Amazon, or you can purchase it on Amazon. This stencil kit is $28. It comes in I believe eight different colors. So it's originally $28, but when I just looked at Amazon, it had a lightning deal or some kind of deal for $17. So definitely super, super affordable. So this is the first time I'm opening it. We're doing this together. If I like it, I'll post this video. If I don't like it, you'll never see it. But I like it that it comes in all one thing. So let's see again what everything is. So you've got the sponge and the spoolie, and then it has the little angled brush with there. You have, oh wow, 2 different packs of brow templates. And then you have the pomade like this. So let's see what this color is. Okay, so this is kind of like a taupey ash color. So this is an 05. Let me see what the 04 looks like. Because I do like my ashes. I was gonna say ash color. I do like my lashes or eyebrows to be a little bit darker. So these are the two. So this is the 05, the one that came in the kit, and this is the 04. So I'm actually gonna do 2 different ones because I don't know which one is going to look better. So I'm gonna do 2 different eyebrows and see which one I like, because I'm this one looks a little bit more taupey. I do like more of the ashy kind of look. So this one looks like it might be better. This one looks a little bit more caramelly, but I'm gonna try them just to see. So the fun thing is, when you definitely wanna do this, I learned this with the Brow Trio, is give yourself some time to find the perfect template. And once you find it, it's great, it's golden, but it does take a little time to try every single one on and see. So I like these because they are plasticky and they're not kind of spongy. I did try one. Let me see if I can find it. I know this one, you can see, I can't remember which one this is. It looks super cute, but it's just kind of spongy. And I felt like it moved a little bit more, where I feel like this, you know, it just stays there. Actually, that might not be bad. Let me see. Line it up. No, I think it's a little bit too wide, too much of an arch. So I did my makeup and I wiped it away so you can see the redness of where I wiped it away, because I wanted to make sure there was no foundation product in my eyebrows. I'm gonna keep saying eyelashes. When I say eyelashes, I mean eyebrows. Yeah, it's just one of those days. So you got the little spoolie. Let me move this over closer. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the caramel color on this side. So I'm just gonna dip it in. This, I like this. It does feel, so this is the Brow Trio. This is this one. Actually, see how this one kind of moves? This one does, but it's not as bad. Like, it's definitely spongy. So I'm gonna see which one I like better. Okay. This eye, for whatever reason, is always the hardest to hold this thing on. I don't know what it is about this eye, but it does not like the template. It's so hard to get like it held, or to keep it on there. Yeah, that's not my color. Nope, that's not the color at all. This reminds me of the Brow Trio. This is exactly like the caramel-y color. But I do like the shape. Shape is good. Now, what I always do is I have a makeup wipe or like a makeup eraser. These are ones that I think I got from Walmart. But I just wipe it down because if you flip it over, you can see where the divot of where I dug my nail into my face. It's so cool. But let's do this one. Oh, we gotta spoolie it out really good. And I'm gonna do the other color. See, like this one, oops. Like I can just hold it and it still has a little bit of that caramel-y kind of thing, but I think it's maybe a little bit leftover residue. Maybe I'll try to wash it or whatever, but yeah, you can see it's a little bit more ashy than this one. This one I feel like is just a little bit too like caramel color, I don't know, but this one, but yeah, that's it. Super easy. It's amazing. It's amazing. So a couple of things I will say off the top. I like this color a lot better than even the Brow Trio. I feel like this is my actual color and this is the 05. So though I appreciate they sent me the other one, I'm glad that they did, you know, because you just don't know personal preference. I do like the taupey one a lot better. I love the fact that this is plastic and not like a spongy kind of material or whatever. I can't even find my Brow Trio one. It got lost somewhere, so I don't even know. I can't even compare it. But I just feel like even though it's, you know, you feel like, okay, it's gonna be harder to stay on or mold with your face, it just stays on so much better. This is such an such an easy method. It is like so idiot proof and it's so easy. Instead of spending, I literally spend about 5 minutes to do my brows, and this, you saw it, 2 seconds. It is amazing. So I do like this color better. As far as the sponges, I do have to say this sponge is better than the Brow Trio one. I feel like this one just kind of moves, and this one is just a little bit more harder. Like you could see, I don't know, this one, and plus I like that it's a little bit more pointed and this one's like flat, and I feel like the product goes all over. Whereas this, when you see it, my mom is calling me. Mom, you're gonna have to wait. But when you see it, when you sponge it like this, all that, like it's only a little bit of, you know, a little bit that's getting in there, where this is, I feel like you waste less product. So I like this better. I do have to say, I like the Brow Trio a little bit better as far as having the spoolie at the end. When you go like this and then you flip it over and spoolie it, it's a lot easier than having to put it down and then doing the spoolie. But I do appreciate the fact that they added the spoolie and then they added this one right here so that you can go in, like, let me see, go in like at the top. Ooh, too much. And like hit certain things. So I do like that. I'm making it way too dark now, but now you guys can see the full effect. So you can even go in and do that. It's way too dark. Don't even look at it. Oh my gosh, put way too much on it. But you can really see the color difference now, can't you? But I really, really like this stuff. And it does have a little bit of, I don't want to say stickiness or a little bit of tackiness. And the reason why I like that is because it helps make my brows stay in place. Now, I don't know the longevity about this. I will come back. I'll put comments in below or like in the description thing if I find that it didn't last all day or whatever. But I feel like it will probably last a good part of the day. Gouge myself with my nail. That's amazing. But I really like it. You're gonna see this video because I really, really like it. Love the color, love this sponge thing, love the template things, perfect, amazing. Love the fact that it literally takes me 2 seconds to do my brows, which normally it takes at least 5 minutes, and I don't even like them afterwards. At least with this, I'm like, they look so pretty. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Please leave your comments below. I will put the Amazon link down below so that you guys have it if you're interested in doing this system. I love the fact that it comes in this little thing. And even if you have to pay full price, $28 for the whole system, to me, it's worth it because I feel like the pomade will last a long time. You don't need additional products like brow wax or anything like that to keep your brows in place. And I just love how super, super easy it is and quick, quick, quick. So if you're a busy mom, you're a busy college student, you're busy, 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 this is definitely something that you need to get your hands on because it will make your eyebrow routine a heck of a lot easier. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Until next time, bye.